I'm Jack Marrano from Absolute Dental Services located in Raleigh, North Carolina. What I love about partnering with Desktop Health is not only do they have a great printer, but they're a materials company. And the fact that they have the materials and are continuing to research and develop new materials is really what draws me to them. I did a presentation on 3D printing and I was on a panel discussion very early on. And my first slide says, printing is the future. And my next slide said, don't buy a printer. For a long time, we didn't have materials, but now we look at something like Flexera, Flexera Smile, Flexera Base. I could actually produce a high quality aesthetic restoration. If we look at Flexera Base and Flexera Smile now, it's given me an actual restoration that I can produce that's aesthetic and strong. On the clinical side, you got ease of use, easy workflows, but then you got a superior restoration. It's by far the best thing that I've seen. I can't wait to use Ultra Plus. From everything I've seen so far, it looks like it's going to be another one of the game changers. And that's what's important to me when I'm partnering with a company like Desktop Health, is the continual development of future materials, just like Ultra Plus.